Hey everyone! So I have some paint left over and I thought let's try a double Dutch. But I don't want to have great big flowers. I just want to kind of have going maybe this way and this way. I don't know, we'll see where my hands take me. So I am going to put some white down. This white was mixed with Creative Inspirations, Polymer Medium and Varnish, and water. This is a little test I'm doing for paint cracking. So I know a lot of times when you add water to paint, it has a tendency to crack. So without a medium in it. So we're using the Creative Inspirations medium because it does have a polymer in it. And hopefully that'll keep us from cracking. So I got some white down, and we'll put some colors down now. Alright, so I want one here, maybe one here. This is going to be difficult to blow out probably, but we'll see. This one got a little thick on me, but it'll still work. So the colors I'm using are Soho Dioxazine Purple, Premier Purple Red is this one here. I think they discontinued it though. I haven't seen it in the store. And then I'm using the Master's Touch Premier Purple Red, which is a totally different color. But they look pretty together. Alright, so I'm going to put some white around. Let's see what we get. Okay, I'm going to turn on the hair dryer, so turn your volume down. this one did not behave. So let's see if I can add another one. It's hard to do two of anything on one canvas and have them actually go together. So I'm going to wipe this off around here. Trial and error, guys. You don't know till you try. Everything is scrapable, dippable, or fixable. How's that sound? I'm going to make sure I have enough white left over to go around it. Just using up these paints so I don't have to store them. We're going to bring that right over. This will all dry flat, so should all blend pretty good. Okay, let's try this one again. I didn't want a big flower. That came out really big. Today is not a Dutch pour day. Misbehaving. That's alright, we're going to blow it out. And some gold. Alright, last is the white. Okay, that one's better because it's smaller. I'm just checking. The nice thing with that Creative Inspirations medium is I'm not getting cells. Sometimes when you get these, you get too many cells and they just take away from the flower look. So I just want to pull a little bit to give it some wispies. Or I can figure out where to pull. Got a little goober thing going there. I'm going to fix that while I'm there. My stomach is growling. See, I'm not getting those little white flecky cells, and that's what I didn't want, so that's good. But I'm kind of liking the two. I probably should blow that down a little bit. Let me do it with the airbrush so I don't disturb the whole thing. Let me blow these little edges out. I have to break up this line because it seems a little thick. So it's okay to scrape half and come back and do it again. Just wanted to get rid of that line that was there. There. had to balance that right there. It was making me a little anxious. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. The paint mixing videos are down below for our regular paint pouring recipe. This recipe is very simple. I stated it on another video, the other Dutch pour video. And shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Join the Pourage Posse on Facebook, and also check out my Christina Welch Art page on Facebook. If you're interested in purchasing paintings, check out my Etsy shop. All those links are below. We have lots of links below. Our fan mail post office box, and our PayPal tip jar link is there as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Oh, you want a close-up. I always forget. It's pretty. It's going to dry really pretty, because dioxazine violet is so dark, so this should be very pretty when it's dry. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Bye now.